Yo, Young Jams, Music Volume TV, we're back. Free my nigga Sylvia 1,000 times. Whoosh! Yo, back on the block with TT Grub. I went away with fiends up Cunch. Now they ring on my phone for lunch. And I just had a call from Darren to tell me wants that 8 for his mum. And I just got a text from Trev and Kaz and they told me they need more grub. Look, I ain't gonna talk on bait shit. You know what I'm on, let's face it. I got a like phone, you can't trace it. If the grub's tea, then I'll take it. I'm in the back of the whip with this chicken, I'm giving her a dick and you know that's basic. Fuck these pagans on the same shit. I'm making peas, I get paid quick. Yo, look, mum's like, Jam, where you been? Said yo, mum, I'll be home in a week. I've been trapping and jugging and rapping. I ain't coming home till I make this pee. More time, I'll be up in a bando with a bad bitch on my lap with a Rambo. I get a Z, then I put it into peps. Can't fit any more numbers on my phone. Now I'm 2 phones up, got a YG, run around a block like Shiro. And if you didn't know me, you better know me now. As the kid getting played off your iPhone. Now I'm 2 phones up, got a YG, run around a block like Shiro. And if you didn't know me, you better know me now. As the kid getting played off your iPhone. Bro just dropped me the pack, told me the price, and I said, alright, cool. I ain't got time for a pagan, soon they be hating when I bust jewels. I'm stuck on the block with dots, licking out shots till I got no food. I mean I never roll with light change, but that's something that I used to do. And they be like, Jam, where you been? I've been sat in the trap with fiends. Just know that my phone does numbers, this ain't the phone that I use on weed. Man know me, I'm just up in the trap and I'm bagging up work for the team. Man know me, I'm just up in the trap and I'm bagging up work for the fiends.